Hello guys, good afternoon. Today's video is all about root finding in numerical methods. There are a lot of mathematics solutions that cannot be solved immediately or cannot be solved by different mathematics formulas. So here, I would like to discuss regarding the root finding and solving for x in an instance now. And where do we use these root finding solutions in numerical methods? In banking and finance, in machining, in tool and die designing, in commerce. There are a lot of applications that can be solved using this by different methods and numerical methods. First, we have the root finding solutions solving for x such that f function of x is equal to 0. Example, we have an equations x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, by root finding, we can find out that x is equals to 2. So, that is the value of x. Okay? In numerical methods, there are two categories. Number one, we have the bracketing, and number two, we have the open case. No? So, in bracketing, if we have such equations that is f of x is equal to 0, we are plotting these equations, we need to bracket every portion of these equations, every portion of this graph. So let's say for example, we bracket x left and xr. Kunwari, ito yung unang pinili natin, xl and xr. Mapapansin mo, there will be no change here because the point of origin or yung maximum, yung abscissa natin or yung point, yung root natin is here. So, wala siyang sign change dyan. And similarly, pag nag-bracket tayo on this portion, wala ka rin makikita ang sign change dyan. Walang pagbabago. So, because we have here x right, x left, x right, so there will be no sign change kasi kahit mag-move ka pa ganun, parehas pa rin sila. Wala pa rin doon yung root natin. So, what we will be doing in bracketing is, we bracket one by one, we get another bracket here, we get another bracket here, until we can arrive on a certain brackets na nandun yung ating point of origin, or not necessarily point of origin, or yung nandun yung ating root ng ating functions. So, doon na tayo nagkakaroon ng sign change. Let's say, for example, in this bracket, you will find out that the x left, nagkakaroon ng, may movement siya pababang ganun, papansin mo, dumaan siya doon sa ating y coordinates. No? Pagdaan niya doon sa ating y coordinates, yun yung ating roots, tumama na doon sa ating y coordinates. And that will occur as sign change natin yung ating x of right. Okay guys? Now, on the first part, we have the what we call bisections method. So sa bisections method natin, ganoon din. We will be using bracketing here. Yung xl natin o kaya x right natin. So, pag nag-bracket tayo dito, mapapansin niyo wala tayong sign change. Pag nag-bracket tayo dito, wala tayong sign change. So, we continue to bracket every portion of our equations. No? At pag nakarating tayo dito, at nag-bracket tayo dyan, pag nagkaroon ng sign change dyan, so doon na tayo mag-focus yung bracket natin. No? Step 1, select a bracket x left and x right. F of x and the function of x right must be in opposite signs. Okay? Then step 2, set the midpoint, yung ating x mid of is equal to x. No? And step 3, the part where function of x is sign change, this is now the new bracket. No? Yun yung ating midpoint natin. To get the new bracket, we have here xl plus x right divided by 2. So xl plus xr divided by 2. So yun yung ating new bracket yun. So pag tinupad, kunwari 1 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 2. 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 2. So yun yung magiging new bracket natin. Ito yung x cube natin. Okay. I would like to give you some example that is x cubed minus x minus 1. And let us try to find out kung saan tayo nagkaroon ng sign change. So let us assume that x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to negative 1. So how come that will be equal to negative 1? Let us show that one. 0 cubed minus 0 minus 1. This is cancelled. So ayun, mapapansin nyo it's negative 1. So if if x is equal to 1, ano yung magiging value natin sa function of x? It's equal to negative 1 pa rin. Okay? Then, if x is equal to 2, ano yung magiging value ng functions natin? F of x now is equal to 5. Okay? So, meron tayong 5. Let's try to look. 2 cube minus 2 minus 1. So 2 cube now is equal to 8 minus 2 minus 1. 8 minus 2, then 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So napansin nyo, nagkaroon na ba tayo ng sign change? Meron na. 1, 2, negative 1, and 5. So we have x and function of x, meron na tayong sign change, 1 and negative 1. Okay? At saka 2 and 5. So meron na tayong sign change in between here. Okay now guys, no? We have here the table here, no? Meron tayong table dito kung saan natin i-plot yung ating ang mga values, no? With iterations 11. So let's say for example, we have first iterations natin. A is equal to 1. F of A is, this is now our x, no? And this is our f of x. 1, negative 1, then B, f of B. Okay? So ito yung may sign change na tinatawag natin kanina. 1 and negative 1, in between 1 and negative 1, and 2 and 5. Okay? First bracket and the second bracket. Okay? Now, let us try to get the new bracket. No? See now, this is our new bracket. Okay. C now is equal to A plus B divided by 2. So that is equal to 1.5. And function of C is equal to 0.875. So paano natin nakuha yung 0.875? So let us substitute that 1.5 into our equations. And we have here 1.5 cube minus 1.5 minus 1, that is equal to 0.875. Okay, get it? So B now is equal to C. Okay? After that, we will be using this new bracket into the equations. No? Okay. 1, negative 1. So yung bagong bracket na natin, we have C, 1.5, and function of C, that is 0.875. So let us try to compute again. C is now equal to 1.5 plus 0.875 divided by 2, that is 1.25. And the value of function of C is 0.296875. So A now is equal to C. Okay? Then we will be substituting this new equation kasi may sign change na tayo dito. No? Nagkaroon tayo ng sign, still na may sign change na tayo dito naging positive siya. So ang gagamitin natin ngayon, yung C now, we will substitute C into the value of A. So 1.25 will be our next iterations. So that's only iterations number 3. So 1.25, then let's find out the new value. Continue solving these equations until we will arrive in the 11th iteration, that is 0.005. Okay? Thank you.